Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube. So today I'll be eating the Flaming Anus chocolate bar. So I uploaded a short earlier on in the channel and kind of explain exactly what this is, but I'm gonna do it one more time kind of in a quicker fashion. So this is a chocolate bar made with the world's hottest pepper, and inside the box we have the chocolate bar itself, called the Flaming Anus chocolate bar. So there it is, everybody. And then we also have a little sticker that comes in the box too. So this little sticker is pretty cool. It says Flamethrower Candy. So there you go right there. It's the name of the company that produces the Flaming Anus chocolate bar. So that's what comes in the box. And I've never done this before, so I have me a half-gallon jug of milk just in case, because it is 2.2 million Scoville, so it's a pretty hot chocolate bar. Anyway, so here we go. It says one chocolate bar is 260 calories, and has Carolina Reaper in it, and chocolate. So here we go. I've honestly been so nervous about this all week, just thinking about it. I've seen a lot of reviews and stuff on it and whatnot. I'm kind of scared to touch it too. I don't want to, irritate my skin. But the chocolate bar does actually have a flame on it, so there you go. It's how you know it's legit if you buy one. It's got a flame on it. So, oh man, I kind of want to go ahead and get this thing ready just in case, because it's gonna be, I feel like it's gonna be bad. But anyway, here we go. I know this is gonna be bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna go ahead and get the milk ready. So here we go. Oh my God. Oh. So at first, setting your body into it, you can taste the chocolate for a quick second, and it just starts burning like it. My mouth is on. I barely bit into it. Oh God, not that much. Okay, so I've got the first little rectangle right here. Ain't bad. I'm shaking a little. I definitely feel like I'm gonna be feeling the name of this later on. Dear Lord, that's worse. That's really bad. I think I'm gonna call it at that. I ate one small rectangle. I'm done. Golly, it's bad. My mouth is on fire. My tongue's going numb. By far the worst. That's bad. Anyway, I've done this. I did this video. Please, please like and subscribe. I'm definitely planning on drinking this. I'm planning on eating a scorpion in another video later on. as well as many other exotic foods. So please be sure to stay tuned for that. But oh my gosh, man, that's bad. Thank you for watching.